What's up, guys? I'm out here shoveling my sidewalks and got them all shoveled almost. I gotta have my shades right here. It's really kind of bright out here, but I shoveled all the way around the house. As you can see right there behind me. And I got over here to the front of the house and I seen something really strange. It's really awkward. I don't know if somebody's trying to get into our cars or what. Because I see there's footprints on the other side of the street over there by this truck. But I was over here in front of our cars, and here I'll show you what I found here. So, and I hadn't even looked inside the cars to see if anything's missing or broken into or whatever. So, here, let me give you a show. Let me show you right quick right here what I'm looking at right here. I don't know if you can see, but see the footprints right here. Them footprints right there. I haven't been outside all morning. They lead all the way up to the door of my car right there. And I haven't looked to see if there's anything missing. But look how they walk all the way down. And then there's another set of footprints right here. And there's some tire prints right here. I don't know whose that is. But if you follow these footprints right here, watch. These footprints lead all the way to the driver's side of my wife's car, which is weird. So let's see here. It's unlocked. I mean, it's locked, but of course you can't see inside the car. So let me walk over here to my Jeep real quick. Let me shovel the snow and I'll get right back with you here. So we got these footprints right here leading all the way up to my car right here. And it does appear, if you can see inside there, my glove box is open, which that ain't normal. Glove box is never open. They've been going through my car, whoever it is. So, and let's see if I put my foot up to this foot right here. See that? I wear a 12, and that appears to be probably like an 11. So, somebody's walking around stealing shit out of people's cars. So maybe if you had anything happen to you in the north side neighborhood, you can call the cops. Or if you see anybody, maybe we can connect somebody to this one. But let me get in my car here. I just wanted to document these footprints just in case, so we know what size foot or shoe that is. So let's get in my car and see what they stole. Well, see, all this stuff right here laying in that seat. My glove box was open. I closed it. It's like they didn't try to break the ignition or anything. And it's obvious they don't know how to use tools, so it's got to be a kid. Because these tools right here, that's probably about $60 worth of wrenches, because it's the ratchet wrenches and shit. But yeah, they didn't take anything I can see. They didn't tear anything up. I guess they don't like my gloves and greasy things. And see, all my tools are still in here. They tried to break that. I guess they didn't need a. I guess they didn't need that scraper or jumper cables. They probably don't have a car. But yeah. I guess they didn't like what I had in my car here. See, that's why I never leave anything in my car. Yeah, I don't leave anything in my car because for the very simple reason is, you know, people want to get in your car, they want to tear everything up, trying to take it out of the car. You know, which kind of sucks.
You want some breakfast?
But so yeah, guys, if you're watching this, I live basically 72nd and Zuna area, and if you've had anybody break in your car, ransack your stuff, this is Sunday. I believe it's March 3rd. I believe it's Sunday, anyways. But if you've had anybody ransack your car on a Sunday morning or Saturday night, I'm sure you're not the only one. I'm a victim as well. So hopefully they didn't destroy your stuff. They didn't destroy mine, but I think they're just kids looking for something. But if you do and you catch them, let me know. You know, maybe I can tie that person to these footprints I got in my yard here. They'd probably wear a size 10 or 11 size shoe. So let me know in the comments down below. And if you're new to this channel and you want to support my adventures and everything, you can go to patreon.com/Hondo the Warrior if you want to donate or anything like that. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe. Until next time, God bless. Vlog over.